Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how adding light can transform a space. First, I will show you a render with no added lighting. Now we will add light and we will see the transformation. I will start with ceiling light. First, in 2D, I will measure a position of my ceiling light. For that, I will use the ruler tool. Now I will switch to ceiling plan mode and I will add a ceiling light. I will switch to 3D plan mode now and I will add the rest of lights in 3D mode. For best results, we need multiple sources of light. Multiple sources of light will help you to create different moods in your interior. We have the ceiling light, and now we will add wall lights, table lamp, and floor lamp. If you want to add warm light into your interior, you can go to textures and change the light source to warm. Now we will take the render with all the lights. And this is how the interior looks after adding lighting. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.